Hello everyone, so I just got finished doing knotless braids for the first time. These are with the extensions. It took me about 8 hours today with a lot of breaks obviously. And this isn't my first time doing my hair with extensions, but this is my first time trying to do the knotless. Knotless is where you don't start with the big knot. I'll post a link of the videos that I looked at on YouTube that helped me out with this. And I'll also list my products. So let me show you the back. So here's the back. Some parts are straight. I did my best. I'm tired. And then since it's kind of late at night, I'm just going to do the hot water on the ends probably in the morning because I don't want to go to bed with wet hair. But yeah, this is how the ends look. So yeah, not too bad. It kind of thin out. And I trimmed it a little bit so it won't be too long. But it's kind of long. But yeah, these are my knotless braids. We're getting ready to go on a family cruise, so I thought I'd try something a little different. But yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.